Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you a couple more ways on how to get some free Robux without any verifications, without anything like that. Now I've done a video like this early on, like a couple months ago, but I figured I might as well re-update it because there are a couple new ways to go about doing it. Now there's two main ways to do it without having to use Robux or anything like that, or Roblox, even the app. And those two ways that I mentioned before, at least the first one, is Microsoft Rewards / Bing Rewards. And what this does, basically you sign up for an account. If you sign up for surveys, if you do surveys like that, and you basically fill out whatever the website wants you to do, and especially if you use Bing as a search engine, you can get tons of different rewards that way, which is a humongous thing. And honestly, it's really not too difficult. If you're in a pinch, it's a really easy thing to set up, and you can export those into Bing, into Microsoft Rewards, and get tons of different Roblox and Robux that way, which is really cool as well. There's a bunch of in-depth tutorials on exactly how to do this, which I'll go ahead and leave a link down below. Another method is the Google Opinion Rewards, and what this is, if you have an Android device, I think it works on the website too, but I'm not really too sure. But you can download the app or whatever, and basically you do the same thing that you would on Microsoft Rewards. You go ahead and fill out surveys and different plans like that, and you're able to actually go through and eventually export those things for different types of things like gift cards or whatever the case is. And this is another humongous asset that you have. You can go ahead and do both of those ways without even having to go through and Roblox or any app like that. You can strictly just stick to either using an Android app, the Google Opinion Rewards app, or the Bing Rewards app on the websites or whatever, and pretty much be set there, which is really cool. So those are the main ways that I would probably recommend a lot of people to do it. You don't have to verify anything. But another amazing way you can go about doing it is creating game passes through Roblox. And what this is pretty much, you just go ahead and create a game pass, and they're basically special items that people can purchase within Roblox, and you can go ahead and use Robux to buy those. And I'm sure you probably have bought them a couple times if you guys know, and if you guys use this a lot. And within Roblox's own website, they actually have a huge developer panel just for these things. And if you have a little bit of coding knowledge, you can actually go and utilize this. Now, I've never used this, but I'm sure it can't be too crazy to figure out. They have a good tutorial on how to do it. I'm sure there's billions of tutorials online on exactly how to do it, which is really cool. So basically you create icons, you create all those different things, and you eventually make the pass and figure out how much you sell it for and everything, and you basically get the Robux that way. And if your thing is really that cool, and if your item is really that useful, people can purchase it and go from there, which is really, really cool. And that's another cool one. I mean, it doesn't really require too many different things, but it's a really cool thing at the end of the day. You can also make a Roblox game and depend people on going into it, which is really cool. And if you own a decent group within it, you can actually make a bunch of Robux that way as well, which is really awesome. You can also sell different types of scripts. Again, if you guys know any coding, you can utilize your coding ability in order to get a bunch of Robux that way too. And I'll go ahead and leave the Robux website down linked in the description below for the developer site, so you can go on there and learn all about it. So those are a couple more ways on how to get free Robux, and this is a really, really relevant in 2020. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel, all those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys could check it out. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.